Good morning, everybody. It's the Mobile Home Mama. I want to try something new this month. Every month we have a closeout sale on our website, and during that sale, you can find floor plans that are significantly reduced, usually by between $20,000 and $30,000. So let's talk about this month's double wide. First up is a home called the Keeler. This is a 1,493 square foot home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, on sale for $93,666. Now let's talk about the floor plan. Like I said, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, but there is this little bonus room, the family room right here. It comes with an included island because the sink is in the island. And what's interesting about this floor plan, this actually was our show home down in Louisville, is that we created this huge butler pantry where your refrigerator is. So in the kitchen, we've got uppers and lowers all along the back wall, showcased by 2 windows there. And then, like I said, the larger island, and right beside it is a nice sized family room. Here we've got the side entrance, and don't forget, if you guys need to flip it end to end, which means we will put the side entrance over to the other side, that's no charge here. Living room, we are looking at a 18 by 12 living room with a coat closet right here when you first walk in the door. This is the front of the home, so most of the time this would be roadside. Coming over here, when you walk into the living room, over to the right, you're coming to your primary bedroom with a large walk-in closet here, and primary bath over here with dual sinks, 2 sinks if you want them. The second sink is optional. And then also, what's neat about this, and I've done a couple videos of this home, is when you're in that butler pantry, we've got an optional door that leads to the utility room and another optional door so you could walk straight through. So inevitably you could be in your primary bedroom and head straight for the kitchen. Now, coming over to the other side, we've got bedroom 2 and 3 with good sized closets as well, and the second bath tucked up in here right by that second entrance. So that's a nice feature if you're coming in from the garage and you really gotta go, there it is right there for you. This home is a 28, we call it a 28 because of the overhangs, but technically the box size is a 26 foot 8 inches, so that would be your foundation size. Over here, 56 long, so pretty common, 28 by 56. And guys, you can catch all of these floor plans on the website, factorydirectmobilehomes.com. Next up, we call this home the Jeffersonville, and we've got 1,699 square feet of home. This is a brand new floor plan for us. I'm super excited to build it. On sale for $97,659. And what's cool about this floor plan is it's a 32 wide. What's important about that? Well, when you are looking at stick-built homes, you'll see that they have a proportionate size. So the wider you go here, which 32 is the widest that you can get, the more proportionate it is to the box. So 32 with the overhangs, technically a 30-foot 4-inch base, box size, foundation size. 32 by 56. So you see, instead of having a long rectangle, we have closer to a box size. So what's cool about this floor plan, and please somebody come by this so I can build it. Look at this pantry. Very large. Each one of these squares, by the way, is 1 foot. I can't count them because I can't see that far. Oh boy. So it's a walk-through pantry, 2 doors accessing the pantry, and here in between, if I can get closer, you can see that's a little counter space, so a little upper lower. Included island, that's the same island we just saw in the last floor plan, the largest island we make, super big, and up here against the sidewall, we've got a galley kitchen. And so we've got the stove, a little bit of counter space, sink, little bit of counter space, refrigerator. Nice size dining room that's gonna fit any size or any shape of dining table. You may want a long one, you may want a round one, whatever you wanna do. And back here, you could easily put a patio door. Now, what else is going on here? Oh, because this is a 32 wide, you're always gonna see a living room that is extra tall instead of being shorter because of the width of each side. Each one of these that's going down the road is gonna be a 15.2 in size. So it's like having two 16 wide single wides. to equal 32, of course. So you've got an extra tall living room right here. And what's nice is coming into the primary bedroom, we've got this whole wall right here that we could easily add a 36-inch door. So if any of you out there are in wheelchairs or handicapped and you need to find a floor plan where we can open up the bedroom door, this would be a good one. So coming into the primary bedroom, and then right here we've got the primary bath. We've got a little bit of a linen closet there, and then again, optional, you can add 2 sinks and a nice size walk-in closet in the bathroom. Some people like that. They want to be able to take a shower, change their clothes, do their thing right there. So heading back to this end, we've got a very spacious utility room. Washer dryers up here, water heater and furnace there, and plenty of room here if you wanted to do a hall tree or do your own thing, maybe put some hooks right there. That's what I would do. Bedroom 2 and 3, pretty similar to the last floor plan, but here, right here, va-va-voom, that's the kicker, that huge walk-in pantry. Good for people who can, or people who are preppers, right? If you need to have a big pantry in case it goes down. So anyways, now this one. This is a home that we brought back during this round of change-ups. Remember, we went from the Dutch line to the Aspire line. That's new for us this year. And this home used to be called, well, there was a couple different variations, the Mansalona as well as the Westbrook. So we brought it back due to popular demand. And what's great about this home, I'm gonna get this right up here, primary bedroom has this personal retreat room. And I've done many things with that room before. There's no closet in it, notice that. So it's not a separate bedroom, but it could be if you wanted to. So technically, what do we got here? 2305 square feet. Let's look at the size. 32, remember the widest we make, and 76, guys, so the longest we make. This is one of the largest homes that you're gonna find at Champion Homes. So right here, coming into the living room, I would suggest you do a 20-foot dormer right here so you have a nice entryway, and maybe you could take out and do a covered porch there later on down the road. But heading up into this kitchen area, you've got pantry with an upper and a lower, and then an island here with a nice little side table there if you wanted to do a stool maybe or something. I could probably extend that also if you wanted to extend that bar, but uppers and lowers here, nice dining area. And what's cool about this is that we've got a little foyer type of deal there. So a foyer headed into bedroom 2, bedroom 3. I don't know, maybe you want to open this up and make this a big playroom. We could do a drywall arch right there. So many things we could do. And also we've got a little Jack and Jill bathroom here. So perfect if you got a couple teenage daughters, they would love that. Also, we've got a family room up here. Here's your side entrance coming into an L-shaped utility sink. That's optional. Also a broom closet, washer dryer there. But look at this. This is a 3-bath home. So again, coming into the side entrance, you got a little bit of a mud room. So a nice foyer entrance there, a huge utility room so you can drop off your boots and throw your clothes in the washer. But also, we've got a full bath right here, guys. So if you need to jump in the shower, your wife's not gonna yell at you for heading on through. Okay, coming down here, this is bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 is gonna have a large walk-in closet. And then let's head back to the other end of the home. This is the primary area, so a nice size retreat attached to that bedroom. I have also moved that door to the outside in case, again, you want to make that a playroom or something different for whatever you want to do. We can move doors around is what I'm trying to say. And coming into the primary bathroom, we've got his and hers closets, but there's a little bit of hallway in between, and then to the primary bath. So plenty of room here to do a walk-in shower. We've got this large linen closet there, and again, the option to have 2 sinks. So this one on sale for $133,297, guys. Originally, that's about $165,000 home. So we've got some good deals going on. My information is in the description. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Let's meet up, do a tour, and talk about our homes. Thanks, everybody. Have a blessed day. I'm the Mobile Home Mama. Thanks for watching.